In this video, I'm going to show you one of the tricky questions that you can find involving the properties of logarithms. Suppose we have this problem. What is the equivalent expression for let's say 3 log x squared plus xy? And then we have the following choices. Let's say on A, it's 3 log of x squared plus 3 log of xy, or B, log of x to the 6 plus log of xy raised to a 3. Letter C is log of x cubed plus log of x plus y raised to a 3. And then letter D, we have log of x cubed plus the log of x plus y, or rather xy raised to 3. This is a tricky question because you might be tempted to distribute the log to the x squared and to the xy, and you might think that A is the correct answer, but A is wrong. Why? Because there is no such rule that can allow us to distribute a log. There is no distributive property for log. Okay? In letter B, B is like a consequence of letter A by thinking that if this is correct, we can make use of the power rule to place the 3 as exponent of x squared and xy respectively. However, since A is wrong, B is also wrong because it is coming from a statement which is incorrect. For letter C, you have log of x cubed, then you have log of x plus y raised to 3. It may be difficult to think of coming up with an x cubed when you already have an x squared. That makes you think that C could be incorrect and also D could be incorrect. Okay, so what's the trick to this question? Remember that there are 3 main properties of logarithm, or what we call the laws of logarithm. First one being is the product rule that says you have log of xy is equal to log of x plus log of y. Next is the quotient rule. Quotient rule and that is log of xy, x over y is log of x minus log of y. And 3 is the power rule that says when you have log of x to the n, this can be written as n log of x. Okay, notice that in these rules, the base could be any base as long as they are the same for all the log. Okay, so you can have any base. So going back to the expression, so how then can we create or can we apply any of the 3 rules when we don't see a product directly, or a quotient, okay, and a power? The trick is you have to change this into a different expression, which is honestly it's not easy to see. But once you know that, or once you notice that x squared and xy has a common factor x, we can now rewrite this into x times x plus y by factoring out the x. And in that way, we were able to create a product of two expressions. Since we have a product now, then we can apply the product rule. So keep the 3 outside, then apply the product rule. You have 3 log x plus log of x plus y. And then this 3 is for both for the log x. This is it's 3 log x and log x plus y. When you distribute, that's 3 log x plus 3 log of x plus y. Hence, by power rule, this is log x cubed and log of x plus y cubed, which is the choice letter C. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. Okay, so it's a tricky one. You have to see or create an expression in which you can apply one of the rules, and in this case, the product rule. Okay, so I hope you understand how to answer this question. Okay, again, it's a tricky question. So, but I hope the next time that you see something like this, you will already know how to find the equivalent expression. Okay, that's it.